Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change 2016 Kia Sorento headlight bulb. Start by parking on level ground, turning off the engine, and opening the hood to access the headlight housing. Remove the plastic cover and unplug the wiring harness, then twist out the old bulb. Install the new bulb by avoiding skin contact, secure the housing, reconnect the battery, and test the light before closing the hood. Start with clear lighting and a small tray for screws to keep parts organized while you work. Remove the access panel and unscrew any fasteners that block the headlight housing. Carefully release the retaining clip or ring and slide the old bulb straight out without twisting too hard. Keep track of small parts and connectors, then prepare the replacement bulb for installation using gloves or a clean cloth to avoid contamination. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more car tutorials. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading while you wait during repairs, with a crisp display and long battery life making downtime pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one for your garage bag. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. When inserting the new bulb, align tabs and seat it firmly in the socket to prevent vibration and poor contact. Reattach the retaining clip or ring and reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring a snug fit. Replace the access panel and fasteners, then reconnect the battery and test the beam pattern on a flat surface. If the light seems misaligned, adjust the aim per the owner manual or seek a professional for precise alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.